PSN store, get Transistor for $5.
Oh, what's that?
I already have
Unless-
Transistor in my phone.
Oh, you have it on your phone?
Yeah.
Is it good? What is it?
It's nice.
Side
It's a
scroller?
mobile.
It's an RPG.
Yeah.
Oh. Is that the one with the pretty art? The red-haired
Yeah.
girl?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah.
Oh, it's just cheap.
I'll probably play till like maybe only 6:30. Then I'll have to go and get dressed.
Or what?
I'm gonna sleep over near USD. We have a competition tomorrow.
Oh, good luck.
Thanks. Hopefully we win.
Fine.
We'll see. I'd be very sad if we do not.
Welcome to BlizzardWorld.
Final Fantasy 15 is probably one of the best games in the sale. It's from
Oh.
PS4.
Yeah. $20. That's pretty good.
I love Final Fantasy.
30 if you want the DLC with
Select
it.
your hero.
Oh,
I'm
no.
embarrassed by this person's name.
Oh no, this person's really a noob. Of course.
First game. Oh no.
You have a sniper in the enemy team.
What's it called?
Hey, Daddy-O.
Yeah.
Because that's what Viva says with the previous game.
Oh, true. Oh no, this Gengo. I have hopes.
Why is
but
it always
I would.
Genji who locks? The lowest level always locks in Genji.
I know, right?
Kara, where are you stuck?
Because Kyle's not gonna survive. Should I go unarmed?
What do you mean I'm stuck?
Attackers incoming.
Huh? I said you're not gonna survive with just Lucia and then heals because you're Orisa.
We have 24 seconds. There we go.
You want me to go back and switch to Roadhog?
I'm already here. Why is Diva injured?
What? How?
Already?
She's yellow.
Yeah.
How did she injure herself?
I don't know.
She fired her missiles in the wall while super close to it.
That's not
I didn't know
fair.
you could do that.
I didn't know you could hurt yourself. Huh.
1. Attackers
It's
incoming.
basically the Farah problem.
Defend
Yeah.
objective A.
I hope they don't have a Farah.
They have the Genji, they have the Soul Junkrat.
There are
Oh,
5.
they have a Farah.
Dirty boy is dead. Oh, Gengo
Come here,
killed him.
Yeah, Widow.
A widow? That's half of our work.
Oh, they're all
done.
DPS.
There's no healers?
They're all DPS, yes.
Are you dying?
No! Oh my god!
Heal please.
Wait, Kyle's dying.
It's okay, yeah, take care of Kyle. I'm fine now. Thank you.
Oh, watch out.
Gengo's dying.
Oh no!
Nope, 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 nope,
Don't
nope,
res him.
nope.
Where was him? He's as good as dead. He is dead.
Diva, come back.
Okay, we can stay back here.
Ah,
Come back, come back, come back. Oh no, someone's gonna die
Diva,
there.
come back.
Bye, Diva. I'm sorry. Oh, someone left. He came back.
Yeah, one of them left.
Where's our teammates? Are they all dead?
They died.
Come get your armor.
Overextended.
Diva's stupid.
Wow.
Yeah, watch
They're going
out.
to the side.
I saw the. Oh, what? Huh? What?
Oh my god, we're taking so much damage. What the fuck?
Yeah, because they're focusing me.
Yeah. Because you're the biggest target. What's a golden
I have
three?
4 golds.
I have the bronze.
He's an excellent teacher.
This
They're
Diva's
just
really
overpowering
derpy.
us. It's level 32 Chels.
Oh my god,
What?
Doomfist is just punching the wall.
Objective lost. Stop the pain.
Don't be stupid.
What do you expect from a level 9 in first gaming?
True though.
Back out if you have to. Back out, back out.
Yeah. Oops, the fire is a problem. Time to kill
Oh,
it.
they have a
Probably
Farah
under
now.
this bridge is safer.
Yeah, where I am. Stay where I am.
What the fuck? Come
God
back,
damn it,
idiot.
what the fuck, Doomfist? What's
hear
he
him
doing? I see him.
Why is Diva there?
Kuita nga!
Did I res her?
No, don't res her.
Up,
Are you
Unless you're
sure?
safe.
where-
Unless you're safe, which you're
Someone's on the
not.
roof. Yeah.
Go to the right.
Yeah.
Never mind, never mind.
Someone's
There's
on the
someone
roof.
Go to
there.
the right. Sombra
McCree's
down
on the
right.
roof.
One with the universe.
Oh, never mind.
They're all on the roof.
Direction is best.
This guy's don't fit kill here.
Bye, bitch.
This Doomfist is just... What's he doing? Is he confused?
Oh, the soldier's the only one contesting.
Wow, incredible.
Is he crouching? Good ball. My
Yeah.
god.
He's hiding behind the payload.
Why?
You have a diva now.
Where's the diva? Oh, our diva's on the roof. I just realized that.
Lucy is gonna die.
I
He's
can't get
gonna
the
die.
girl on the roof.
Why is Diva up here?
He's fighting the McCree and the no.
Oh, diva's on the roof. That explains a lot. The enemy diva's on the roof.
Okay, here. Ah, fuck. Oh, thank God. Mosquito
Wow,
up top.
Farah died trying to kill my turret.
Oh, no, I'm dead.
Oh no, sorry, Bjorn.
I'm fine. Uncle's fine.
Fuck.
Heal.
Kyle has a ball, but he's taking so much damage.
Oh no, guys.
Yeah.
Oh no, Gengo's on the
hate
roof.
that
Kara,
time.
yeah. There he is.
Yeah.
Broke your turret.
Okay, I'll make another one.
Where's the fist? Where's our fist?
Why is Diva all the way there? I was dying.
Crap, he's taking so much damage.
Yeah, because I'm the only one on the point.
Yeah. I was behind you, but it wasn't
I need to
enough.
focus hard.
Yeah, don't go in there.
Crap. Oh crap. Okay, good job. Sorry. Oh no.
Shit,
Is that
they got
Genji?
killed. I have ult.
Oh my god.
What is that?
Genji's on the roof. I don't know what that was. No.
Stay alive, guys. Ult doesn't
I
have.
don't have ult. I don't have ult. Damn it!
I'm dead. Where's the other teammate?
But they're not
Oh, it's
pushing, huh?
Genji.
They're just going around and shooting at us.
No, one
No,
of
the
them is
soldier's
pushing.
pushing.
Oh, the soldier.
The
is the one
soldier.
that's pushing.
Ah, gang, Diva.
Yeah, watch out, Genji's there.
Bitch, come back! No! Why are you there?
They have a Reinhardt or we have a Reinhardt? They have.
They have a Ryan.
They do? Oh, I heard them though.
Why is Diva in there?
Diva's on the roof.
Dying.
She's retarded.
Alright. Why is she there? What the fuck?
Oh no! I thought.
No,
Oh, fuck.
I'm too slow. I'm too stubby.
I went behind the wall, but it wasn't enough.
Uh-oh, it's just the two of us.
Overconfidence.
Hold on.
No.
They got rid of their Farah.
Yeah, but they still don't have support.
And this is working.
Yeah, but our other two teammates are like always not there.
I have 3 golds. That's ridiculous.
Got it.
Is a
Alright.
position.
No, what did you ask me? I'm switching.
Oh, I thought you were committing.
I can't carry so hard with Torb.
What are you switching to?
Moira.
What the fuck, Diva? Come back.
Am I going to ult?
No.
This is
Come
fine.
back, Diva. What the fuck?
Oh no.
Diva, come back.
Diva's gonna die.
Group up, Mora.
Diva's gonna die. I'm not going in there. Yep, I'm
She's
not going
dead.
in there.
Oh, she's so bad.
But she thinks she's good because she's on fire. She's killing but not protecting.
I thought they were gonna shoot.
Oh my god, I survived that. How?
She just threw it right in front of us.
They have a Torb too! You bitch!
What's broke? Something broke. Oh, sorry. No, Diva, why are you there?
Experience tranquility.
Nice.
Wait,
Diva,
tama.
come back.
Aaron flank.
Okay, there's no one there.
Far on the back. Nice. The enemy
Diva,
has
why
a
you fucking
torment of their
dying?
own. How dare you
What the
mean
fuck?
me?
Come back! Why is she fighting them? She's a gremlin. Is she gonna die?
She's retarded.
Why are you spawn camping then? Oh my god. Of course you're gonna die.
You're gonna die.
Group up.
Oh my god, what the fuck?
Para top. Shield's gone.
Tama.
Oh fuck.
Team up for special attack.
Oh fucker.
I hate that we're carrying this.
I thought you were gonna switch off for Arena.
Well, they don't. Oh yeah, I was going to. It seems to be working for some reason.
Genji's here.
Genji's right flank.
60 seconds.
Diva, you're fucking dying. Come back, moron. Oh, this Diva, what the fucking.
Watch out for the Pharah. Reaper's going to the
We have a
back.
Reaper now. No, he's going around. I don't know. Okay, why did he teleport there though?
Because I thought he was going to the back, Marie.
Oh my god.
Oh. Oh, oh my
What
god.
the?
Up.
Those are some
Soldier's
high
going
IQ
to the back.
plays.
Watch out.
Fara's flanking.
Are they flanking? It's just one of ours here.
She fucking justice my turret!
That's really sad.
What the fuck was that?
I don't know how.
In this...
I don't know how this is working. Up. Bye.
She justice my turret!
No. She's an idiot.
What the fuck was that?
Play of the game.
Those are some high level
God.
plays, guys. Oh my god, I hope this is the last one where she justice my turret. Please be. Oh
No,
damn it.
it's still there. What?
Wow!
That's very interesting.
Oh my god. No, Diva,
Oh my
you're
God,
fucking
what's this
retarded.
doing? She voted for herself.
No, the whole team voted for her. The group voted for her. For the Genji.
The Genji wasn't
Yeah,
that
but I'm
great.
saying Diva voted for herself.
Yeah, because the D
Yeah,
was
'cause-
dumb. Nobody
She was
will vote for that.
DPSing without tanking.
Oh my god. Why
Oh my
is
god!
one-
Genji.
I wish that the other one was the play of the game. I was BMing at the end. That was funnier.
That would have worked. I mean that would have gone really bad if they had support.
It's true.
Yeah.
But this is UE, so they won't.
Like they had Reinhardt and that's their only tank. Everybody else was DPS.
It's true.
Like the only
then-
healing they can get is from Soldier.
Actually, that's why they're able. Usually, that type of tactic falls apart in the last push because they don't have the sustain to push all the way to the end when our spawn is so close.
It's true. The
Also,
soldier,
the fact
though.
that they kept forcing the flanking method on that particular push.
Yeah,
The last
Yeah.
part, they kept trying to flank, leaving the Reinhardt alone in front.
good job. And then the soldier ran off, leaving him alone, so...
Yeah, because I think everybody on the enemy team tried to flank, and then ES Torbjorn got them.
Oh my god.
Did you see
Sorry, got
them
them.
bring their attack, Torbjorn?
I know.
I saw every.
How
I saw
dare
the
you try to
Genji,
out-me
the
me.
Reaper, the Pharah try to go for your turret on the back.
She justiced my turret! What was that?
I'm sure that's not how you're supposed
because
to do it.
Yeah, because she kept dying to your turret because she kept focusing me and she ignores the turret.
And if the turret doesn't get her, I do.
No, that was derpy as fuck.
That's funny though.